Sometimes, when you run a piece of software, a component of it, or the main executable, may be detected as a virus. Antivirus engines can yield false positives, also since their detections are constantly being tweaked and updated. I will show you how to allow running a detected file anyway when it has been blocked by Windows Defender. First, open up Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection, click on Protection History. Click on the detection you want to audit. Confirm the administrator pop-up. Click on Actions and choose Allow on Device. Now, try running the software again. It should run successfully. If not, try to repeat the process of allowing the file on the device. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.